All right, I'm excited to introduce my new MicheTime line. Micheladas are amazing and delicious. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make one, okay? Gotta get yourself a nice little mug right here. This is the chamoy dip right here. Get in there, be generous with the dip, okay? Get some ice. Put some ice right here, boom. Okay, and you get the mix. It's all about MarioChelada right here. Get in there. Boom, right there. Put about 3 fingers. Get yourself a nice cerveza. Pour it in. That looks good. It's nothing better. More refreshing. And it's Miche time. That's what's up. Ah.